Welcome back to another video on Anth.Tech, and this is Top 5 Android Apps Episode 7, where I show you some really cool Android apps that I can find on the App Store. They might be games, productivity, or anything else I think are pretty cool that I'd like to show you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in to Top 5 Android Apps. Here's the first app on the list, and this is called BBomb. So this is a really cool technology news app. So the first thing we can go ahead and do is click the tabs button so we can see different categories like Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, Linux, etc. So if we go ahead into say Android first, here we can see the Nokia 3, 5, and 6 with Android O, HMD confirms, and just some other technology news. Heading back out into different categories, like say we head into Windows, you can see in here that this PC will self-destruct to protect your data, so it's pretty cool what you can read in this app. Here is the next app, and this is called Navigation Bar. So if you have a phone that uses on-screen controls like this, the SA Plus, you can control that and change it around, which is pretty cool. So right now it's on static color, making it red. If I go to say something like Active App, and say you go something like Spotify, for example, it'll go green. That's really cool what you can do with that one. But heading back in, you can see if I go back to static color, come down here, I can see battery percentage. So right now I'm at 54%, and as you can see, the green bar is about 54%, so it's really cool what you can do with that one. Also at images, or like this one with the emojis. So that's some emojis in there, so it's really cool what you can do with this app. Here is the next app, and this is called Waller. So now, no Top 5 Android Apps video is done without a wallpaper app. So heading into the menus, here you can see some Explore, Top Picks, Categories, Collection, and Feedback. So if I go into say Top Picks, there's some really nice high quality wallpapers in here, and they do look really awesome. So if you didn't want the Top Picks one, again before you can see different categories. So in here you have buildings, food, nature, objects. So if we just head into nature, for example, here you can see some really cool different pictures. So this is a really awesome wallpaper app. Here's the next app, and this is called Forest. And this is a really cool app if you're bored. So all you have to do is scroll around this yellow ring, and then that just makes it longer. So if we just do this one for 10 minutes, I can go and click plant. Then I'll go ahead and plant this little plant. Then I can see 10 minutes, it'll be fully grown, and you can watch it grow. And if you're done, you can just go ahead and click cancel, then it will stop. The last app on the list is called Meteor, and this will test your internet connection. So if I go ahead and say start testing, here you can see it'll start testing the ping, and it'll start testing the download and the upload. So we'll go ahead and run through this. You can see my ping is 55 milliseconds, download is 20.2 milliseconds, it's going up, it's going down. So wait for that final number, and it looks like it's going to be 23.6, and then the upload speed is still going. So wait for that one, and these are all shown in megabytes per second. So it looks like the upload speed is going to be 4.7. So as you can see, it's got all the different speeds. So it's really cool if you ever wanted to see what your internet speed was. Okay, that's going to wrap up Top 5 Android Apps Episode 7. And also, links will be down below to the apps I just showed you in the video. Also, please drop a like on this video if you enjoyed, and subscribe to the channel if you had not already. And as always, stay classy.